What is up, YouTube? Today I have a really special video for you. If you guys remember, I recently did a video about the new Circle Invest mobile application that is coming to iOS and Android that allows us to buy cryptocurrency. It's sort of a competitor for Coinbase. Well, I actually got my hands on the beta version of this app, and I'm going to be showing you a first look, and as I'm pretty sure the first and only look that I've seen on YouTube of this application. So with that, let's hash it out. The Circle Invest app is actually the direct competitor to Coinbase, and it came from Circle, a popular messaging app's acquisition of Poloniex, a popular exchange. And I did a video on this. I'll link that up in the cards if you want to watch it, explaining what this means for the cryptocurrency space. I think it's a pretty cool thing. And it's going to provide competition, but also it's going to bring millions of users, millions of active users into the cryptocurrency space. So with that, like I said, I have managed to get my hands on the beta version of the app through Flight Test, a beta testing application on the Apple App Store. So I'm gonna show you guys my first look at this application. I went ahead and punched my information in, so obviously I'm not punching in my personal info on screen, but I've recorded some screen shares of this application, clicking around so you can see what it looks like, see what cryptocurrencies it offers. So stick around if you want to see what currencies are going to be offered in version 1 of the app. And we will briefly discuss what I think will be coming in future releases of the application. So let's go ahead and jump down to the mobile device so we can take a look. So guys, the first thing you're going to see when you open up the app is this nice colorful market section. So you'll see here, we've got Bitcoin, we've got Bitcoin Cash, and these nice little charts and graphs, I think pretty average for what you'd see on a Coinbase application. Ethereum Classic is an interesting addition here. So what you'll notice is there's Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Ethereum Classic, and Litecoin in this version 1. And then over here to this middle tab, the Circle tab, I'm calling it right now, shows your portfolio overview. I just hit the withdraw. It's just spinning and spinning and spinning. Hit the deposit, and it's gonna say we're reviewing your account because I submitted my license to get verified, similar to what you probably did for Coinbase. Under security, you have Touch ID enablement, and then obviously this is the support page for the application. Really basic stuff, guys. Nothing too surprising. Now the other thing is the bank account support. So the only way to fund your account right now is through bank accounts. I'm sure there's going to be an agreement, and you can see on the screen here, there's a ton of banks that they support. I have my Navy Federal account hooked up as we speak. Now you'll see if you want to buy Bitcoin, you've got to verify your identity. So I did that, went through the verification steps, and now I'm waiting to hear back. In my experience, the setup process on the app was actually really easy. It was very similar to the other cryptocurrency apps you probably use. If you've signed up for Coinbase, you'll feel right at home on this app. First thing you do is you open it up, you agree to the terms of service, you punch in your first name, your last name, your username or email, and password. And then it's going to ask you to verify your phone number. So you punch in your phone number, you punch in a 6-digit code to log on, and then you pretty much set up your profile, which is your address, I believe your street address, your zip code, city, state, last 4 digits of your social security number, and that's pretty much all you need to get started. Then you're gonna go through your verifications. I'm actually really stoked about the direction that this app is going. It's very easy to use, very simple. It's a competitor for Coinbase. It actually offers Ethereum Classic, which Coinbase actually doesn't. So that's one positive. I expect to probably see coins like Ripple and some of the other popular ones out there. Maybe even Augur. Maybe heck, we might even see Qtum and some of the other coins that are derived from Bitcoin. And I'm really happy with how this has turned out so far. One thing that's going to be interesting going forward is whether or not it is super regulated, like they've said in the press releases whether or not they're going to operate in a way that you can transfer cryptocurrency into your account and buy other cryptocurrencies with cryptocurrency. I'm not sure because I don't currently see that as an option. So guys, I hope this has been a good little brief look at the Circle Invest app. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and let me know what cryptocurrencies you would like to see in the later versions and the consumer release of this application. As this beta goes on and I see new features, I will definitely post those on this channel so you can check them out. And please do consider subscribing if it's your first time here. I do weekly videos about cryptocurrency, blockchain, and everything in between. So if you want to build your knowledge, boost your cryptocurrency gains, and join the movement, smash that subscribe button and hit the bell notification. Don't forget, cheers, bye guys.